Something about this forest ... just feels wrong. The trees twist into strange shapes. Spiderwebs hang, crooked, uneven. Even the insects look different. Their colors, their patterns, their movements, all slightly off. This isn't just any forest. It sits inside one of the most radioactive places on Earth. The Chernobyl exclusion zone. Not far from here, in 1986, the world witnessed the worst nuclear disaster in human history. A Soviet reactor exploded and changed everything. Deadly radiation spread across the land, poisoning everything in its path. Thousands of people died instantly or slowly, over years of sickness and suffering. Humans fled, but Neta stayed behind. Wolves, deer, wild horses, birds, and insects all continued to live here. But they were no longer the same. It started that night. Reactor 4. A massive explosion. Radioactive dust and smoke filled the air. It seeped into the soil, the water, the cells of every living thing, including a lone deer grazing nearby. Within hours, it began to stumble. Radiation burned through its body. Its organs shut down. Its blood thickened. Its brain swelled. By sunrise, it was gone. Then, the forest turned red. Pine needles died. Trees withered. And the once green landscape became what locals now call the Red Forest. Nearby, in the town of Pripyat, a family dog started feeling sick. It was tired, weak, confused. Soon, a radio announcement told everyone to evacuate. Just for 3 days, they said. They left their food, their homes, their pets. But those 3 days turned into forever. The authorities lied. They knew the truth. Chernobyl was gone. When soldiers arrived, they were ordered to kill all stray animals to stop the spread of radioactive dust. Some dogs escaped, running deep into the forest, into the very heart of the dead zone. Months passed, radiation still filled the air. Animals grew thin, sick, blind. Many died. But over time, something unexpected happened. Nature returned. With humans gone, the wild took over. Wolves, lynx, bears, moose, even wild horses made Chernobyl their home. The silence of humans became the sound of survival. But something had changed. When scientists returned, the first thing they noticed were the eyes, cloudy, white, blind. Many animals suffered from radiation-induced cataracts. Birds had crooked beaks, broken feathers. Even spiderwebs, once perfectly symmetrical, were now chaotic and twisted. Radiation had changed the very blueprint of life, DNA itself. It broke genetic codes, rewrote instructions, and passed those mutations to future generations. But then came a surprise. Some creatures began to adapt. Tree frogs, once bright green, turned black. Their darker skin, rich in melanin, seemed to protect them from radiation. A strange fungus grew inside the reactor itself, feeding on radiation, using it like sunlight. Scientists believe it could one day help protect astronauts from cosmic rays in deep space. Even wolves here may have evolved. Researchers discovered that some are showing signs of cancer resistance, possibly born from generations of mutation and survival. Nature, once again, finding a way to live in the ruins of our mistakes. But then, war returned. In 2022, when Russian troops invaded Ukraine, they stormed Chernobyl. They stirred up radioactive dust, destroyed labs, and stole years of research. Decades of data gone. Scientists had to flee, abandoning the world's most important study of life after radiation. Still, Chernobyl's story continues. Among the twisted trees and silent fields, life persists, deformed, mutated, adapted. A dark reminder of what humanity created and what nature refuses to surrender. Because no matter how much we destroy, life always finds a way